Welcome to the manual instrument reprocessing tutorial from Dr. Weigert. Today we will cover the manual cleaning of thermostable and thermolabile instruments with the aid of enzymes. Depending on the field of application, surgical instruments and utensils can exhibit various types of soiling. This includes very stubborn residues, such as dried-on blood. Different residues require different measures. For example, removing proteins from protein residue requires different ingredients than cleaning off fatty contaminants. As a result, efficient detergents must meet high standards. This is particularly important to allow minimizing the applied concentration, exposure time, water volume, and temperature. Even in very demanding cleaning situations, neodisher multi-zoom has proven effective. With the aid of enzymatic action, this detergent offers excellent cleaning performance. Its enzymes support the breakdown of organic residues. Its surfactants enable emulsifying non-water-soluble substances in water and keeping them in solution. The formula of neodisher multi-zoom combines 3 enzyme classes. This ensures maximum cleaning performance with a synergistic effect for all types of residue. Enzymes act based on the lock and key principle. Proteases break down proteins from protein residues. Lipases remove fatty contaminants. And amylases remove polysaccharides, such as starch. In direct comparison with other manual enzymatic detergents, the multi-enzymatic detergent from Dr. Weigert clearly achieves the best cleaning results. In addition to providing active, residue-free cleaning, neodisher multi-zoom prevents the redeposition of protein residues and has been proven to remove biofilms. The liquid concentrate is free of boric acid, borates, perfumes, and colorants. The multi-enzymatic formula is pH neutral and features excellent material compatibility. To choose the right products for your holistic reprocessing concept and obtain the corresponding application recommendations, please contact your neodisher consultant. On request, the Applications Engineering Neodisher develops customized solutions for your individual requirements. Dr. Weigert, Systematic Hygiene.